workbook or in other workbooks. I have a product sales workbook open. It has 2 worksheets in it, one for Northwest Region sales and one for the West Region sales. I'm going to start by adding a link to the company website. I want to put this in cell F4. Now I'm going to right click, and then at the bottom of this menu, I'm going to click Hyperlink. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, I can see that there's an option to create a link to an existing file or a web page. Since I want to create a link to the company website, this is the right option for me. If I'm not sure what the specific URL is, I can click the Browse the Web button to find out, but in this case, I know the address, so in the address field, I'm going to type www.dialonics.com. Now, in this text to display area, I'm going to remove this prefix with HTTP just to make it a little more user-friendly display. Now, when I click OK, you can see that the company website URL is in the cell and it's been automatically formatted using a hyperlink style as a link that you can click and navigate to. Now, I'm going to show you another way to use hyperlinks in your workbooks. This one could be a real time saver. I'm going to select cell F5. This time, I'm going to use the Insert tab on the ribbon, and then in the Links group, I'm going to click Hyperlink. You can see that there's an option to link to another place in this document, one to create an entirely new document, or one to create an email address. I'm going to click Place in this document. I can see a list here of the sheets in this workbook. I'm going to click the Northwest sheet. Cell A1 is fine as a reference. And now let's look at this text to display. Although it does tell Excel to go to the Northwest sheet on cell A1, it doesn't look very informative for people who are reading the worksheet. So I'm going to change this to Northwest Summary. Now when I click OK, we can see that Excel has added a link to the Northwest Summary sheet. And if I click this, I'm taken to the Northwest Region sheet and I'm on cell A1. Back on the West Region sheet, I want to make sure that there is a contact email address in the worksheet. So down in cell F14, I'm going to click, and this time I'm simply going to type an email address, nmiller@dialonics.com. When I press enter, Excel knows that this is a hyperlink. It's formatted using the hyperlink style, and when I hover the mouse over the link, I can see that it displays the text mail to before the email address. If I click this, it will open up my email client with this address in the to line ready to send the email. You've now seen how to create different types of hyperlinks in Excel 2016.